Good afternoon, everyone. In the previous class is discussion about concept of Kirchhoff's laws. Kirchhoff's laws. There are two laws of Kirchhoff's laws. That is, the first one is Kirchhoff's first law. That is also called Kirchhoff current law. Kirchhoff current law. First of all, in the basic concepts of the electrical network, what is the meaning of electrical network? The electrical network is a combination of circuit elements and circuit that is elemental sources, electrical sources. It's called electrical network. The electrical network means it is a electrical network. The electrical network is a combination of a circuit elements. That is called electrical network. What is the meaning of node? Node or junction. The node means the any two conductors. That is a one conductor. This is called one more conductor. The two conductors. That is a conductor 1. That is called conductor 2. The two conductors are contact at any position. A node or junction of the electrical network is the point where the more than two conductors are meet. The number of the two or more conductors are meet at that any position. That position is called node or junction. And one more is loop or mesh. Loop or mesh. L-O-O-P, loop or mesh. Loop means what? Loop or mesh, it is also an electrical network. The electrical network, see, this is the electrical network. There is a circuit. That is a one resistance, one more resistance, one more resistance. It is a what? That is a closed path. The arrow mark, the circular arrow mark is represented by, it is a circular path. That means the loop or mesh is defined as, the loop or mesh of a electrical network is a closed path of a current. The closed path of a flow of current. When a current flows, circular path, that is called loop or mesh. This is the basic concept of what is the meaning of electrical network, what is the meaning of node, what is the meaning of loop. And there are again the Kirchhoff's law is classified into two different laws. One is a Kirchhoff's first law. The Kirchhoff's first law is also called Kirchhoff's current law, and this is also called node law. Node or junction. Node or junction. The Kirchhoff's first law is defined as the states that, see, in this diagram shows that is a one conductor. This is the conductor. This is called one more conductor, and there is a one more conductor, and this is called one more conductor. The first conductor is the current is converging. That is the I1 current is a converging, and I2 current is diverging. The outside of a current is represented by diverging. The inside of a node, the inside of a current at a node, that is called converging. The alternatively converging, diverging, converging, diverging. This is the resistors P, Q, or S is the resistors. That point is called O. This position is called O. That means according to, that is the current flowing through the I1, I2, I3, I4 is the number of currents. This is called number of currents. I1, I2, I3 and I4. These are the I1, I2, I3, I4 is the number of currents. The current flowing through in this circuit at a point O. That means this is I1, I2 is the sum of the currents. That means according to the Kirchhoff's law states that the algebraic sum of the currents at a node, the algebraic sum of the current at a node in an electrical network must be is equal to 0. That is the statement of Kirchhoff current law. that is given by summation I is equal to 0. I is a current. According to the Kirchhoff first law states that the algebraic sum of the currents in the electrical network, the algebraic sum of the currents at a node in an electrical network must be is equal to 0. That is, the equation is summation I is equal to 0. That is the statement and the equation. And draw the diagram. What is the explanation part of A in this first Kirchhoff first law? Let consider the I1, I2, I3, I4 be the current through the different conductors. Is 4 different currents is meet at a point O. The I1 is a convectional current. Convectional current means entering a node. That is a current entering at a node. It is taken as the converging current is taken as positive. Converging, the converging current is taken as positive. The diverging current is taken as negative sign. The diverging current is taken as negative. See, this is a inside of a current. It is a inside of a current at a node O. That is a positive. That is negative outside direction. That is positive inside direction. That is diverging. That is a positive. Alternatively, positive, negative. Sign is positive, negative. Let I1, I2, I3, I4 be the current through the different conductors meet at a point O. By convectional current is the convectional current, that is the I1 and I3 is a convectional current, is entering at a node O. It is taken as positive. When a diverging current is I2 and I4, the I2, I4 is the diverging current. The current leaving at a node, the current leaving a node is taken as negative. That means the I1, I3 positive, I2, I4 is negative. Therefore, expand this equation. Therefore, the diagram shows the I1 is a converging current, the I2 is a diverging current, that means negative. The I3 is a converging, that is positive I3, and the I4 is a positive current must be is equal to 0. According to what? Kirchhoff first law. Or the I1, that is the converging currents, that is the I1 plus I3 is equal to minus I2 minus, that is minus, not plus, that is minus. I1 minus I2, I2 minus I4 is shifted RHS side, that is a plus I2 plus I4. That means the conclusion of the Kirchhoff first law, the converging current must be is equal to diverging currents. The converging current must be is equal to diverging current, or the sum of the currents entering at a node is equal to the sum of the current leaving the node. This Kirchhoff first law is based on the principle of 8. The Kirchhoff first law is based on the principle of law of conservation of charges. Law of conservation of charges. Very important. There is one more question is very important. That is the Kirchhoff first law. That is the Kirchhoff first law works on the principle of the law of conservation of charges. This is the concept of Kirchhoff first law. And the second law is Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff voltage law or Kirchhoff loop law. Loop or mesh. Loop or mesh. The Kirchhoff voltage law or loop law or mesh law. See, the Kirchhoff voltage law or loop means it is a closed path. The current flowing through the closed conductors, closed loops. That is the first to draw the one closed loop. This is the closed loop. Triangle is the triangle and a rectangle is called closed loops. Triangle and rectangles is a closed loops. The triangle A, B and C, it is a symbol of the closed loop, means it is a arrow, circle, half circle and arrow mark. This is of AB is the first conductor and BC is the second conductor, C is the third conductor. The first conductor is consist of one battery, that is a cell. That is cell. E1 is a cell, and one more, that is a source is resistance. R1 is a resistance. In the second connector, first battery, draw the battery and resistance. This is called resistance. That is a E2. E2 is a battery source, and R2 is a resistance. And the third conductor AC, draw the, that is a battery and a resistance. That is a R3 is a resistance. E3 is a cell battery. That current flows the first conductor AB. It is a AB, that is a converging current at a node B. Imagine at a B is a node loop AB. It is a converging current, and the BC is a one more conductor. It is a current flowing. That is a converging current. IT is also converging. AB is converging and BC is converging. And